So over here, you can see that I have a bunch of media on my timeline right here. And you can see that these are different video clips right here. And one of them is an image as well. So let me just resize out the image right here. You can see that for this particular image, if I were to go around and place it anywhere, then what happens is that you cannot see through this image. In fact, this is not transparent at all. So if you want to work around with its transparency, and let's say you want to see through this image right here, then you can work around with its transparency or opacity settings. So to do that, you simply need to go around and click on the clip, and over here you can see blend is an option that shows up. So what you can simply do is reduce this, and you can see that now it becomes transparent right here. You can also go around and change up the value by using these arrow keys right here, or you can go around and then type in the value for the transparency right here, and it is set just like that. So that is what you have, as you can see. If I were to go around over here onto, let's say for example, this clip, then you can work around with its opacity over here as well for the videos as well. So let's just go around and work around with the opacity of all of these video clips, as you can see. And you can go around over here and work around with opacity for that as well. And what happens is that it shows around the background color, that is black or any other color that you may have set. So once I do this, you will be able to see that there's no transparency in this, but the ones with the transparency, you can see through them right here by using this effect, by using the opacity right here. And that is how you can utilize the opacity option inside of CapCut while you're editing videos to make the videos look interesting. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe